How to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing. So basically your main profile is the profile you create when you sign up for a Facebook account. Of course, this profile presents you on a Facebook and is where you can share information about yourself. So when you turn on this professional mode, you can build a public presence as a creator. But with that in mind, you're gonna need to be eligible for it. So for the reasons on why professional mode might not show is because of age restriction. Apparently, you must be at least 18 years old to activate it. You need to prove it somehow, or just make sure your date is on that level. Your account type, so only personal profiles can switch to professional modes. So if you're on a page, then you won't be able to do that. Of course, since if you're on a page, your main account would most likely already be in professional mode. There's also region restrictions. Some features are limited by country. Very new accounts as well may not have the option as well. So if you just made an account or a new or inactive account, you won't be able to get the professional access over here. So make sure you age up the account first. Make sure your Facebook app is also on the latest version since outdated Facebook apps may hide the option as well. And some features may appear on mobile or desktop only as well. So once you have these in mind, you can just go ahead and try seeing if your professional mode is back on. But if you are having a hard time finding the professional mode, it's over here. Go down to the top right, which is the triple bar. Scroll down until you find professional access. Press on the public presence over here and just press on use professional mode. Go on next and just go with the process. But that's how you can potentially fix the Facebook professional mode option not showing. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.